Okay, everybody, it's Charlie here at Ranger Auto. We're working on the trailer today, and I finally went out and bought some LED lights for it because the driver's side kept not wanting to give me the brake and turn signal. So let me tell you a little bit about these lights. These are what they call Kenways. They are sold at Harbor Freight. I paid $46 for mine because I went and bought the $3 extra 1-year warranty on them. I normally don't. Anyway, I hooked them up. As you can see, they wire pretty easily. You got to cut your old ones off, which here's the old one right there. I just kind of left a little bit on the end in case I want to reuse these on something else later on. Anyway, you just go through and you just rewire them. Good to go. The only problem that I seen with these, and I'll show you, is on the side markers. See, here's the side markers. These don't exactly fit my pads, the side marker pads right here. The holes are too high, so what I'm probably going to end up doing is mounting them up here like this on the rail. I'll just have to drill some new holes for it, but we'll do that in the summertime, because this has got a grate floor in the bottom of it, so I can run the wires up through the grate, and then we can wire them up that way, and it's not going to be too much of an issue. But I'm going to do a quick review on these lights I took off. This was the offending light right here. They're made by Optronics, and I don't really like them for one reason. If you look on the back, see how they go in? They go into 2 copper tabs that attach to your incandescent bulb, and the one for the stop and turn wasn't soldered on properly. I could probably go in the house and solder these up, bring it back on, put them back, and be good to go. But I'm not going to. These lights, they sell them at O'Reilly for about $56. If you're putting new lights on your trailer, don't even bother with these. Go with these instead. These are Kenways. Like I said, they sell them at Harbor Freight. Save you the extra $10, $15 and get you some lights. These are some pretty bright lights too. Maybe when the weather's not so cold out, I'll hook up the trailer to it and I'll do a lights video for you so you can see how bright these lights really get. But as you can see, I got a bunch of stuff going to recycling tomorrow, and so I wanted to make sure that I don't get in trouble with the police there in the next town, because you don't have your trailer lights working, they're going to give you problems. Now, one thing you probably didn't see me do was, because normally your trailer plate would come up down here underneath this side. And if you look up underneath there, you'll see a spot where you have a clear for you to have trailer light. I went out to O'Reilly a couple years ago, and I bought this little puppy right here. This is the neatest little light ever. I've got it hooked up on the back of the trailer, just like that. Fed it down through, gave myself a lot of room. And then I originally had it running through here over to that marker up here. But I found that was a bit of a pain in the neck, so what I did is I cut the wire back, spliced it into the tail light on this side. That's why there's 3 wires going in on the driver's side. And I'll tell you what, it works really good. So what I'll do is, I got a couple runs to make with the trailer. I'll take it out and I'll check it out and everything, and I'll come back in the spring or summertime, and we'll make a follow-up video on the trailer lights, and we'll let you know how they do. Till then, we'll see you next time.